At this point, I'd just like to take a few moments to summarize the different ways that you've seen for invoking a method in a program. In the preceding example, we saw that you could use a method name by itself when you're invoking another method within the same class. So for example, in the main method, we called the maximum method, and we were able to do that because both main and maximum were declared as static methods. One feature of static methods that you need to be aware of is that one static method of a class can invoke directly only the other static methods of the same class. Similarly, non-static methods within a class can invoke other non-static methods and properties, for example, within a class as well, as we saw in the context of the gradebook class in earlier lessons. Now, interestingly, non-static methods can also invoke static methods of a class. So just reiterating, a static method can only access other static members of a class directly. A non-static method has access to all of the members within the class. Now, the other two ways that we've seen to invoke methods are to have a variable that refers to an object and use that variable to call a method. So for example, in our gradebook example, we had the mygradebook.displayMessage method call from main. So we said to a specific gradebook, the one that was referred to by the variable mygradebook, display your welcome message. And then finally, the other way that we've seen to invoke methods is through a class name and a dot operator, such as in this preceding example where we said convert.toDouble. When you see a capital first letter on the name to the left of a dot, that's usually a hint to you that you're looking at a static method of a class. So convert is a class. It contains many static methods, one of which is toDouble. For any static method of a class that is public, you can invoke that method by saying the class's name, a dot, the name of the method, and then the argument list in parentheses.